A Box Hover Widget is a user interface component that enhances interactivity for boxes or sections on your web page. When a user hovers their mouse over the box, additional content or functionality is revealed. This feature is ideal for displaying hidden information, showcasing product details on hover, or making call-to-action buttons visible only upon interaction. If you want to use the Pro widgets of Spider Elements, then these two plugins, Spider Elements Free and Pro, must be active. Locate the Hover Box widget in the Spider Elements category and drag it to your desired section. Click on Box Contents, then enter the title and description text. As you type, you'll see them appear when you hover over the box. Next, scroll down to the Image option and click Choose Image. Select your desired image from the media library, and it will be applied instantly. Now click on the right mouse button and increase the box by duplicating it. Now you can give image, title, description of each box separately from box contents. Certain images and text are displayed. You can now write right to left image from alignment option, which looks very nice and attractive. You can change the background type color as you wish from the style option. And you can change the title color from the box contents option. A new style will be created if you click on Preset Skins Style 2. There, the image will show from above, and on hover, the image will move up and show title and description. In the picture, you can lightly see shadow. You can now effortlessly customize the image, title, and description from the image library, just like with the beautiful preset skin style 1. By following these guidelines and tailoring them to your Elementor website builder, you can create effective box hover widgets that enhance user engagement and information presentation on your web pages.